If you get a code on Navien here for hot water not working, when you open it, it would turn on like it wants to heat up and then shuts off. It'll give you a code E110, and I believe the serviceman would show also. I'm just gonna exit out of there, and it will give you a few more information on the screen, but the code would be E110. It's basically a filter that needs to be cleaned or replaced if it's old, and that's the vent pipe that goes outside. You should check that, make sure it's not blocked before you do anything. But usually the filter would get clogged and dirty, and there's these two clips right here on top, and there's two clips on the bottom. You can take this cover off, and on the back of the panel you actually have a bunch of codes that they listed. When you take these off, you just put this and it will come right off. And that's what you're looking at. So I'll just leave this here for now. This here is your filter. So this little bolt, the star, you just take that off and it basically slides out and goes like this. It's nothing to it. The filter just needs to be clean. It's almost like a dryer. So that's what the code gives you. And then if you go on the back of the panel, it'll give you all these codes. And E110 is air pressure. This is ensure that the exhaust pipe is free of obstacles. Clean and intake air filter. So check the obstructions, clean the filter if necessary. In my case, I didn't have to do anything. I did check the filter, it was fine. What I did, I went to reset. You press once and it'll give you a couple other options, then reset one more time and it would reset the system. And that was basically all. But I did check the filter, it was clean. So for some reason the system went to error and all it needed to be reset. But if you are away and somebody calls you from home, family member, and you don't want them to be taking the panel off and touching none of that, you can just tell them to reset. Press once, wait, press again.